Good evening, one and all. Myself, Kiran Kumar, librarian, SKR Government Degree College, Gudu. Now I am discussing about the best practices adopted in academic libraries and information centers. Now, information and communication technology have made a tremendous impact on the functions of the academic libraries and knowledge resource centers. The development and changes in the ICT have changed the users' expectations from the academic libraries in different ways. According to NAAC, best practice may be innovative and be a philosophy, policies, strategy, program, process, or practice that solve problems or create new opportunities and positively impact of organizations. Now, NAAC recommended best practices are for college and university libraries. NAAC has developed the list below are some of the best practices that can enhance the academic information environment and usability. Now, move on to the best practices are mainly classified under the following broad areas. The main broad areas are the best practice divided into broadly four types. That is, one of the traditional best practice, second one ICT-based best practice, third one is library extension service and general best practices. Now let's see the traditional best practices. Book exhibition, library hour, orientation program, no arrival displays, library brochure, book review, reader club, library short-term courses, training to use e-resources, indexing and abstracting services, staff user meet, best library user award, and career guidance cell. These are the traditional best practices we are designing it. Now, let us see the ICT-based best practices are computerized library with library software. Any library software is there, like Ellipsis, Soul. These are the examples. Any library-based library software we are using, one of the fetching of the library services also. Next, library web page. Each and every college have a library web. Definitely they bring website is there. Then that library also one of the page we have to maintain. It will help for services to reach out. Now OPAC, online public access also catalog also now it is very useful for searching the library collection. What are the collections are there? Number of how many books are there? What are the different types of documents are there? We can search and easily get retrieve the information. Now electronic document delivery service, CS current awareness service and SDS service also. Now electronic mail, electronic resources like e-books and e-journals, institutional repositories also we are maintaining using DSpace and different types of digital library software. Now online full text services also providing that using these ICT based service. Online reader based service also one of the ICT based practice. And finally, library extension services. These are the traditional service we had, but this is not including in traditional. This is extension services. Extension membership facilities. Interlibrary loan means we can provide booked services to other libraries, and we will retrieve from other libraries also. Document delivery service, learn and earn schemes. It is very important for an poor people, some interested persons also. Reprography and Xerox facility also is there. Suggestion box. Newspaper clippings is a very important service for it is very need for the NAAC. Career notifications also. Feedback register. It is very important. Every year we will get a feedback from the users and we will rectify the problems and we will service improve the services. Library help desk also is there. Library security. Now, general practices we are designing it for NAAC purpose. Regular library advisory committee also we are maintaining it. Binding of books and periodical section also we are maintaining. So very important. Inclusive of library information prospects and college website. Intercom facility also is there. Easy communication. Now it is nowadays. Mobiles also is there. Casting, barcoding, spine label, and stamping is very useful for stock verification and other rectifications. Question paper sets of previous examinations, library calendar of activities, use of this It says in keeping away book forms and damage the display of various library charts, keeping the library premises neat and clean. Now, there is no good conclusion. The above best practice by every academic institution library creates its own image in the mind of students, faculty, and society. Nature of the students to look library professionals is a knowledge manager. Thank you.